3, 2, 1. We have liftoff.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
We're now down to 3 Raptor engines. We can see those chopsticks now in view.
Booster having current shutdown.
Megadilla had popped the booster.
Super heavy booster back at the launch tower.
What an incredible view!
Are you kidding me?
What a cool view of the reflection of that landing burn.
We can see the water just behind the ship.
Ship has landed.
An incredible view. I think it is safe to say
Down!
that is a live view from the ocean surface. What an incredible end to Starship's journey. A live view from a buoy that we had